You are so blessed with Tita Sonia, but she's also so blessed with you guys. I think malaking success ng Sonia's is the culture imbibed by Sonia.
Ako po kasi kaming dalawa ng husband ko, kaming first batch.
Oh,
So, ang master class.
wala ba kayong BNB noon o meron?
Wala.
Madami pong natirang pagkain last night. Bago po talaga kumain kayo kahapon, nakakain na yung staff. So after nyo uling kumain po uli yung staff. And then po doon sa community, doon sa Barangay Papaya, lahat po yon, yung caretaker namin po doon, meron na silang balot na seafoods, may kanin na rin. And then yung mga family po doon na hindi naman sinusweldohan pero tumutulong po na mamulot ng basura every day. Kasi every day po si Dagat may dala pong basura. Kasi nakita nyo naman po yung community. So yun po, hindi na sila makapagbuhat ng gamit kagabi. Kasi sobra pong busog at may pauwi pa sila, pang-uwi sa mga anak.
The staff, I hired more people around the community so they do not have to go far to work. And I gave them jobs. It has generated a lot of employment. I gave them jobs so they don't have to travel far. I call that social fencing. My goal is for them to have food on the table, send their kids to school, and roof over their head, which I've succeeded in doing. So now, even if I tell them to leave, they hang on and they wouldn't want to leave. They are 99% happy working here